if y'all going on the Carnival trip to go to Mexico, and you know when you watch the videos, they be lying about the window size. But look, I can just relax. They lying. And look at the size room. Look at steps all the way to the door. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Lying.
Is the room small?
No, it's big. Look, but look. That's the problem, though.
What's the problem?
Y'all see the roof? I can just touch the roof. Y'all can comment on everything if you want. See y'all. Have a good time on the Carnival ship in Mexico. Have a good time.
Oh, yes, that's beautiful. Is that okay? Look at it. Okay, hey guys, it's Supportive Mom. I'm back. Yes, I am on vacation, sitting here on the Carnival Valor. And y'all, I got to tell y'all all of these things that some of my fellow YouTubers that I trusted, that have taken lots and lots of cruises, have been on YouTube forever. I'm gonna let y'all tell me, I don't know if they stretch the truth, were they just trying to say, well, I'm just gonna be honest with you. It's not nice if you're working with a company and you have your link there just to sell the product. Don't do that. That's not nice. I think that there should be a, what's the word, design, like an honor code system or something. I don't care if you're a YouTuber, a doctor, a dentist. Should be an honor among thieves, honor among YouTubers. You have people out here that are trusting you. Y'all saw that first video that I did. Let me tell y'all, I really should have pulled all this stuff out. I have not opened my over the door hanger because I'm looking at 1, 2, 3 closets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 drawers. There's plenty of storage space. We have 1, 2, 3 college-sized beds in here. There's more than enough room. And they can put them together upon your request like we had them to do, because last night, Lincoln and Deeside both slept over here.
Only because Lincoln.
Because Lincoln don't like to sleep by himself. So, what we did, I had the best room steward, but I just like to say that I just asked him so nicely. He didn't even know I was going to give him a tip. I said, can you put the beds together for me? No rush. Just as long as you get it done before tonight. He's like, oh yes, jolly. Everybody's in a great mood. But I'm going to talk about the staff later. Let me get back to us YouTubers. What I did is I chose videos of people that had lots of subscribers. The channel had been established for years. And they said that they have taken over at least 15 to 20 cruises. I trusted y'all. Y'all were not honest. I did not need the door stopper. I did not need the fan. This room feels perfect. The only thing that I would suggest that they did tell me to get is that plug charger. But all these clothes, I'm going to tell y'all first time cruises, all you need is t-shirt and jean shorts or a couple pair of shorts. Change those shirts up. You actually could bring, if you're a person, let's keep it real. If you're taking a shower every day, changing your underwear, you can bring 3 or 4 pair of jean shorts and about 8 t-shirts. You good for the daytime. Young ladies, you can bring your swimsuits in the daytime. That's how everybody got on. Then at night, y'all see how I'm dressed? Dress it up at night. You only dressed it up because I went to elegant night. But other than that, bring you some knock-around clothes. You ain't even got to iron that stuff. We was ironing and starching. You just walking around sweating, hot, swimming. T-shirts, they ain't even got to match. Flip-flop. 1 pair. Don't be talking about you need a brown pair, a khaki pair, because no you don't. Bring you 1 pair of flip-flops, 1 pair of jump shoes for when you get off. That's all you're going to need. To the drinks, the sodas. All depends on where you live at. We call it a drink in Memphis. They offer a bubbles packet. If you decide to buy the bubbles packet, then don't bring the 12-pack of drinks. Me, myself, honestly, on the next cruise, when I do it, I will only bring a 12-pack of drinks for everybody. Because, or you can do the bubbles, but why pay $6.95 a day when you just grab a couple of cases of drinks? Because, let me tell y'all, the reason that I bought the beverage pack is because I thought the drinks was going to be soda out the fountain, but they not. They canned drinks. Y'all did tell me that. Every time you go, they give you a canned drink and a huge glass of ice. Y'all did tell me that. Sweet be telling y'all, snack. Tell them these are. Y'all need to take some snacks for on board because you're going to be sitting around waiting on your room. Every restaurant on this ship was open. Every restaurant. You don't need no snacks.
They're walking around offering all the beverages.
The buffet is open. The bars are open. You don't need no snack. Water, tea, lemonade. Oh, I even found, and I thought I'd have to remember to go down and show you. If you drink beer, a BYO buy dispenser for beer. Just take your cup up and fill your cup up with beer. I'm going to tell y'all the truth. I don't have any reason to say. The link is down in my description. I don't have a problem with that, but be honest. Just say the link to this product that I use is in my description if you choose to buy this, but you don't really need it. Everybody was talking about your laptop don't get wet, this don't get wet. People want to splash of water like that. What they decide? No, they were not. And I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell y'all some more facts. But this room is not a jail cell like everybody makes it out to be.
The bathroom does not stink.
No, the bathroom does not stink at all. And on the shelf, your things won't fall because it has these little rods. And I'm going to put a picture in there if you want to take your things out. There's a clothesline. I'm going to show y'all that. That's in there. What else do you
You got a full vanity chair that slides under the thing. You got 5 drawers for the vanity. Mirror is also lit up for you.
Now, I'm going to tell you something else. They said the doors and everything. If you're going to put something on the door for the magnet, you have to wet it, I did, to make it stick. That magnetism. Magnetism doesn't work very well. But we were able to decorate our door. Mr. Lincoln did. Yay! He did a great job. You really don't need your cup. Y'all saw that cute little cup I bought? Because like I told you, when you go to the bar or area, ask for your drink, they give you a canned soda and a huge glass filled with ice. But nobody told me this. Don't sit your plate down. They keep these ships so clean. They will walk and take it away quick. If you leave it sitting idle, they snatch it. This ship is clean. But y'all, they didn't tell y'all the truth. Supportivemom got y'all. Y'all, it's nighttime right now. Everybody say, oh, you need a night light. The rooms are dark. These folks get tipsy and drunk. Don't know how to turn the light. Look at all this light.
And that's what
And look at the window.
You got 3 lamps that come on.
Look at window out there. It is dark out there. Is this room dark? No. You got 1 lamp, 2 lamps, 3 lamps up in here. Then you got your TV. Look at all these closets over here. 1, 2, 3. Look at all these drawers. A chair under here. Look at this nice fridge. They tell me bring a cooler. You don't need no cooler. That refrigerator is the same size as that door. Look at there. This is an Oceanview room. That window is huge. Y'all saw Lincoln sitting in it. This is 2 beds we had them to put together. Turn to a king. Say what's up to him, D-side.
What's up, D-side?
Oh, let me get Dollar Tree a shout out. Now y'all can't go to Dollar Tree if they still got it. And get y'all kids this cute little cup. Lincoln get ready to take it up on deck. Watch the movie he saw.
No, you do your own too.
We thought this room gonna be much, much smaller. How you turn this down? You can't really
I'm sure. I don't think that.
YouTube
will probably pick it up, cut it off.
Okay, we thought that the room was gonna be much smaller, but I'm just gonna show y'all some steps, okay? I'm just gonna step back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You could have faced us.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 steps all the way up to the door. This was a couch. They took the pillows off and made it up for Mr. Lincoln as a bed right here. I have a bed. D-side has a bed. We got nice closets, nice little TV, and everything. We got some little space down here. We got a safe. So if we got something, well, I didn't bring my laptop because I thought I'd be able to lock it up in there, but it's small. Oh, we have a fridge down here. I think it's mighty hot. Okay, but it's cool on the inside. Drawers, hard drive. Ooh, we're blowing your hair one of these pretty strong. 4 drawers, closet space with shelves, and a nice mirror. You can look at yourself. More space here. Oh, life jackets. She said Lincoln should have a small one. We have 1, 2, 3. Do you see a small?
There's one at the bottom too.
Adult. These are all adults. So we need to ask for a child life jacket. I'll put those back.
You did try those?
This right here is a Yes, it is Mr. Mustard Station H adult. So we need to ask for a child life jacket for my grandbaby because we're not going to be like, John, oh John. Okay, and more space here to hang up your things. And so this has to be the rest. Oh, girl, look at this.
Step up.
Step up for the restroom at night.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Hold on, let them
Look.
record.
They got this, I guess, so you won't lose everything that you put. It won't slide off. And this is an older ship, so it has a shower curtain right here. Look at this. Oh, you got to use the little arm to get in there and the soap and everything. All right. But y'all know after the sail away part, I'm going to get it here and I'm going to sanitize. But hey, this is day one on the ship. Let's enjoy. Let's have fun. And y'all come on and go and stay with me on this cruise. All right? Love y'all. So I'm getting ready to go watch a movie. I'm going to talk to y'all. Go leave me a comment. YouTubers, do right, do right, do right, do right.